first 40 days after delivery. Is it really necessary or is it just suppression of women? Hi guys, welcome back to Mom O'Clock with Dr Farah in association with Hindustan Times Health Shorts. Today's topic is confinement period in the first 40 days, and let's dig deeper to find out, is it necessary or just a regressive custom? First 40 days or 6 weeks are critical to the mother's recovery. Her uterus is shrinking back to the normal size and there are a lot of changes happening in her body. Her mental health is very fragile at that time because she's sleep deprived, she's adapting to the new change that is brand new baby in her life, and it is generally very difficult. And if you have to sit at home all the time, it gets even harder. I, for one, was itching to go out of the house. I was always oily because of the massage, I was sticky because of breastfeeding, sweaty, icky, all of the above. But in Indian culture, as well as in many other cultures, Spanish, Chinese, all of these cultures follow this confinement period. It is called chilla or japa in India. It is called sitting the month in China. If you ask the elders of the house, why do I need to sit at home? They're going to give you reasons like, nazar lag jayegi, ya haddiyon mein hawa utar jayegi. Yes, it sounds a little ridiculous, but let's just stop here and find out, is it really suppression or is it something more than that? This custom has stood the test of time, and there is a reason for that. When you were pregnant, you would have noticed that you were getting cough and cold more often, you would get food poisoning when no one else would get it, and our immunity generally is lower. Now, why is it low? That's because the baby during pregnancy is seen by the body as a foreign body. It needs to be gotten rid of. But bodies are smart and we're going to take care of our kid and preserve the baby. So the body naturally, as an automatic adaptation, brings down its own immune levels. Now what happens after delivery is the immune reversal happens. It's called the immune reactivation or reversal syndrome. When that happens, your immunity is not just less, it is reversing drastically. Some women have a very slow mellow path. Some women have a sudden U-turn. When her immunity is so reactive, exposing yourself to even minor bacteria and viruses outside in the environment puts a strain on your body, and that can lead to chronic inflammation and in extreme cases even autoimmune diseases. That's why it is better to be in the familiar confines of home, eat home cooked light foods, and stay protected from outside pathogens. In my experience as a family physician, I have seen so many women not observe the confinement period and they suffer because of it. They have these vague aches and pains in the knee, in the leg, even when the child starts going to school. And if they go and do their tests, the doctor will mostly say, your vitamin D is less. But trust me, I have seen enough IT patients, considering I'm practicing in Bangalore, and all of them have low vitamin D levels, but the men don't have this problem. And the women who have not observed the confinement period always have this pain, ache, and lower immunity and susceptibility to falling ill. Women who have not observed the confinement period found that it was not necessary, because once you Google it, they're all going to tell you it's an old wives' tale, it is unimportant, it is bad for your mental health. So that's why it is very important for you to know that your body needs the protection, needs the rest, and needs the pampering. Because it's like your body is turned inside out, and anything and everything, even the mildest and most innocuous of things, can elicit a reaction. And as if the mothers who are watching this and had stepped out in the confinement period, please don't think you're doomed or your life is ruined or something. We are mothers. We are way more resilient than we are given credit for. For more information on care of the mother and baby, don't forget to pick my book Newborns and New Moms. It is available on Amazon right now. So until then, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.